Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello friends, here it is given 6-pound weight homogeneous disk of radius 3 inch spinning at constant rate of 60 radian per second as shown in the figure. This disk is welded by the shaft CVD. The system would be in equilibrium or at rest when couple M0 is applied for 3 seconds and then removed. If angular velocity of the shaft is 18 radian per second, then we have to calculate couple M0 and dynamic reaction C and D after couple has been removed. Let us see here. Start solving it. Angular velocity of the shaft. We will write all the parameter in vector form. So angular velocity of shaft CVD and arm AB omega 2 J cap angular velocity of disk A omega 2 J cap plus omega 1 K cap. Angular momentum of the disk about A Ix omega x I cap Iz omega z k cap omega x is 0, so this term becomes 0, so you will write Iy omega z omega 2 j cap plus Iz omega 1 k cap. Angular velocity of reference frame CVD Bx by z omega is equal to, so rate of change of angular momentum of the disk about A point Vx by z plus omega cross HA. Substituting the value, so we can write Iy omega 2 z rate of change of omega 2 j cap plus Iz rate of change of omega 1 k cap cross omega 2 j cap cross Iy omega 2 j cap plus Iz omega 1 k cap. Taking the cross product and simplifying, you will get Iz omega 1 omega 2 I cap Iy rate of change of omega 2 j cap plus Iz rate of change of omega 1 k cap. I2 is moment of inertia about z-axis, that is mr square by 2 omega 1 omega 2 I cap. I by moment of inertia about y-axis mr square by 4 rate of change of omega 2 with time plus this is Ix and this is Iz mr square by 2 rate of change of angular velocity with time k cap. Now we will draw the free body diagram of the disc and the shaft CBD. Let us see here. Y-axis C point, Cx, Cz, D point, Dz, Dx, disc. This is the x-axis. MAZ. This is MO0, that is CBD. Or this distance from here to here, it is B. This is B, and this distance is C. Now we can write velocity of the mass center A. This is A point. The velocity you will write omega 2 j cap cross C I cap, that is minus C omega 2 k cap. So acceleration A, you can write rate of change of angular velocity omega 2 j cap cross C I cap plus omega 2 j cross B. So this can be written as acceleration minus C rate of change of omega 2 with time k cap minus C omega 2 square I cap. Now summation of F to be mass into acceleration. So Cx I cap plus Cy k cap dx I cap dz k cap is equal to ma. Substitute the value of a here. Cx I cap Cy k cap dx I cap plus dz k cap minus mc omega 2 k cap minus mc omega 2 square I cap. So we can write Cx plus dx to be minus mc omega 2 square and Cz plus dz equal to minus mc rate of change of. So these two values are important for us for further calculation. Now moment about d is equal to rate of change of angular momentum about d. It will be rate of change of momentum, rate of change of angular momentum about A plus RAD position vector cross MA. This will be MO J cap plus 2B J cap cross CX I cap plus CZ K cap must be equal to HA. HA already we have calculated mr square by 2 omega 1 omega 2. Just a moment, and the last we will substitute, otherwise equation becomes very lengthy, so I'm just writing here in the same way. Now substitute this value, you will get ci cap plus bj cap cross m into A is cb2 c omega 2 dot k minus c omega t square I. Now we can substitute the value of HA, and HA is given already to us from equation 2, and substituting the value here, so you may write half mr square omega 1 omega 2 I cap 1 by 4 mr square rate of change of omega 2 with time j cap plus half mr square rate of change of k minus mc omega 2 k cap plus mc I cap. On solving the right hand side, we can write moj cap plus 2b. You have to solve this. So this can be written as 2b cz I cap minus 2b cx k cap. 2b m you can take common, half r square omega 1 omega 2 minus bc rate of change of omega 2 I cap plus m 1 by 4 r की power 4 plus c square rate of change of omega 2 I cap j cap plus m half r square rate of change of omega 1 plus bc omega 2 square k cap. By equating the components along I, j, k, we can write j cap. So mo is equal to m r square by 4 plus c square omega 2. This can be written as fourth k cap. So you can write cx is equal to minus m upon 2b r square by 2 rate of change of omega 1 plus bc omega 2 square and dx minus m upon 2b minus 1 upon r square rate of change of omega 1 plus bc omega 2 square. This is equation 5, and equating the coefficient of I cap Cz is equal to m upon 2b r square by 2 omega 1 omega 2 minus Vc rate of change of omega 2 and dz minus m upon 2b half r square omega 1 omega 2 Vc. This is 6. We have to solve all these equations 4, 5, 6 with given value. Weight is given 6 pound. Radius of the disc is given 3 inch, that is 0.25 feet. Value of V is given 4 inch, that is 0.33333 feet. C is 5 inch, that is 0.41667 feet. Omega 1 60 radian per second, and rate of change of omega 1 0. While the couple is applied, if couple is applied, six radian per second square. So from first equation, MO you will get M 1 by 4 R square plus C square. Substituting a value, mass, weight is given, so it has to be converted into mass. 1 by 4 radius, you know, 0.25. C is 0.41 square into C, sorry, omega 2, that is 6. So on solving it, moment of couple about O you will get 0.212 feet pound J cap. After 3 seconds, T is greater than 3, MO becomes 0, omega rate of change of omega 2 becomes 0. So putting this value in equation 5 and 6, you will get Cx dx Cz dz using equations 5 and 6 and substituting the given value. I am only directly writing the value. Cx is minus 12.578 pound, Cz 9.4332 pound, and dx minus 12.578 pound, and dy minus, so we can write dynamic reaction at C minus 12.578 I cap plus 9.43 K cap pound, and D is equal to 12.578 I cap minus 9.43 K cap pound. So these are the answer for this problem. Thanks for watching it.